Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to be making some Christmas ornaments using paper straws. You're going to need some paper straws, and I picked these up at Hobby Lobby, but you can get them at Walmart. Lots of places sell paper straws. I think even Dollar Tree has them right now. You're going to need your scissors, your hot glue gun and glue sticks, and some ribbon. But before I get started, I don't know if you get FabFitFun or not, but I got mine in the mail today. And if you're wanting to try it, I've got a coupon for $15 off your first box. So if you're wanting to try FabFitFun, let me know and I'll give you the coupon code. I think the code only will work one time, so the first person that asks for it, I will give it to them. But it's a seasonal box and you get lots of goodies in it, and it's like $50, but sometimes the value of the box is around $300. So if you're interested in the coupon code, let me know. Also, they sent me another coupon it is for HelloFresh. It says 9 free meals plus free shipping, and there's a code on this card. So if you're interested in the HelloFresh, let me know and I'll give you the code in the comments too. And I imagine the code will only work one time, so the first person that asks, I will write it down in the comment for them. Okay, so let's get started. I was waiting for my hot glue gun to heat up, so it should be ready. But I picked up these straws at Walmart, and I think I'm going to use I'm going to make a little Christmas tree. And so I am going to use the candy cane stripe ones for the trunk of the tree. Okay, so you're going to want to leave the candy cane stripe straws or whatever ones you're using for your tree trunk. Leave them a little longer. So I'm not going to cut them too short because you're going to be using the polka dotted straws or whatever color you choose to glue across. So I'm going to leave the straws a little bit longer. So I'm going to cut them off. I'm going to cut about 3 inches off the top of them. Okay. Okay. And then I am going to hot glue these two together. Looks like I need another glue stick. Just be very careful with your hot glue. And place them together. Try to line them up and let them dry for a little while. And then what you're going to want to do is you can either start at the top of your Christmas tree or start at the bottom. Just remember, if you're starting at the bottom, they're going to be longer strips than those at the top. So I think this is about dry. Okay, so I'm just going to lay it down here on my wax paper so I can kind of see it. And I don't have any exact measurements. I'm just going to kind of see what I like, but in the end I can go back and measure the straws and let you know and write it down in the description box for you. But for the bottom one, I think I'm going to cut off about 3 inches off this one too. Oops. Okay, so let's see. So that would be a pretty big Christmas tree ornament. Maybe I should take a little bit more off. Well, I think I'm gonna leave it actually. Okay, so I'm going to go about, let's say probably about 1 inch to 1.5 inches from the bottom of the tree trunk and add a few dots of hot glue. I'm just going to center it up and hold it right there. This is how it looks so far. And so my next one, I am going to make just a little bit shorter than the bottom one, and I'm just going to skip a little bit of space and hot glue it on also. So let's see, let me take a little bit more off of it. You just kind of have to play with it until you get it like you want. And those paper straws, they're just going everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna skip about 1/2 inch, add some more hot glue. And then we'll center this one up and just hold it for just a little bit. Okay, So this is how it's looking so far. So I'm just going to continue up to the top of the Christmas tree, letting the straws, getting them shorter each time, just a little bit shorter each time until I get to the top. So I'm going to pause the camera so that I can do the next ones. Okay, and this is how it looks so far. Now I have got to find a star or a bow or something to go on the top of my Christmas tree. But these are so simple to make. There's the back of it. Even the back's pretty. So this is how the front looks, and then I'll hot glue some of the ribbon onto it so that I can hang it on the tree. But I've got to find a little tree topper. I have some little pom-poms, and I'll have to see what I have. I'd like something sparkly for the top, but this is not my idea. There's several videos on YouTube on how to make a paper straw Christmas tree. So this is not my idea, but I just thought they were so cute and easy. And yesterday I uploaded a paper straw snowflake Christmas ornament, and so I had all these straws left, so I thought I want to make some Christmas trees too. So let me see what I can find for the top of my little tree, and I'll be right back. I found this little star. It's a miniature Christmas tree ornament, so I thought that it would look cute on the top of this little tree. So I'm going to add some hot glue and glue the star on top. Let me know if you've ever made these paper straw little Christmas tree ornaments. So I think that's going to work out to be about the right size for it. And so last I will add the string, but I think I'm going to make a few more real quick. So give me just a second. I'm still working on my second one right now. But you can take the straws that you're using to make the tree, and you don't have to get a new one each time. You can just use the pieces to cut, make smaller pieces to go up your tree, so that way you're not wasting anything, which is always nice. And let me know, when you're out to eat, do most places that you go to, do they serve paper straws, or do they still use the plastic? When we were on vacation, it seemed like every place we went, they only had paper straws. And my kids do not like paper straws. I'm just cutting them a little bit shorter each time as I go further up the Christmas tree. And I'm just spacing them out. And I think these would look cute as refrigerator magnets. I left that one a little bit too long, so I'm gonna give it a little trim. So I think these would be cute for gifts and use them as refrigerator magnets. So I'm sure there's all kinds of things you could use these for. But give me just a second and I'll finish it up, but this is how it's looking so far. Okay, and here's how my first little tree looks. And I added the ribbon to the back. I just hot glued it on. And then here's how my second one looks. I found a little snowflake and I just hot glued it on. Then I added the ribbon to the back of it. So I also had a thought. These would be so cute on a Christmas present. When my kids were little, I used to all the time tie cute little lightweight Christmas ornaments onto their packages. So I thought this would look cute on a package. So I may make a few extras to tie on Christmas presents this year. So this is very simple to make, didn't take me long at all, and actually they're really fun to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. And if you want notifications, just click that bell and it will let you know every time I upload a new video. So I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. And if you don't mind, please like this video and share. Thank you so much, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day.